Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. Have you ever wondered how some creators make stunning YouTube videos using AI technology without breaking the bank? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to harness the power of AI to create awesome YouTube content, all using free tools. Let's get started. Before we dive into the free tools, let's quickly discuss what AI can do for your YouTube channel. Artificial intelligence has transformed the way creators produce content. It enables us to do more with less time and resources. AI-powered tools can assist with video editing, voiceovers, animation, and even generating compelling video ideas. The first step to creating amazing videos is editing. Some fantastic free AI-powered video editing software options are available. One of our favorites is DaVinci Resolve. This tool uses AI algorithms to enhance video quality, color grading, and even offers object removal features. You can create professional-looking videos without spending a dime. Now, let's talk about adding a voiceover to your videos. AI voice generators have come a long way, providing natural-sounding voices for narration. One popular choice is Google's text-to-speech service. Google's text-to-speech service lets you convert text into spoken words in multiple languages and voice styles. Simply write your script using ChatGPT, choose a voice that suits your content, and you're good to go. Want to make your videos visually engaging? AI animation and visual effects tools have got you covered. For instance, Powtoon is a fantastic platform that allows you to create animated videos using AI-driven templates and customizable characters. You can add captivating visuals to your content without being an animation expert. Stuck in a creative rut? Don't worry. AI can help with that too. Tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy analyze YouTube trends and suggest video ideas based on your niche. They can identify keywords that are currently popular and help you create content that resonates with your audience. Now that we've explored these amazing free AI tools, it's time to put them into action. Let's go through a quick demonstration of how we can use these tools to create a YouTube video right here, right now. Step 1. Choose video topic and script. We'll start by picking a video topic and writing a script using Google Docs or ChatGPT. Once the script is ready, we'll proceed to the next step. Step 2. Editing with DaVinci Resolve. Next, we'll import our video clips and use DaVinci Resolve to edit and enhance them. We'll also experiment with the AI-powered color grading features to make the video look more polished. Step 3. Adding AI voiceover. After editing, we'll head over to Google's text-to-speech service and generate a high-quality AI voiceover for our video. This will add a professional touch to our content. Step 4. Incorporating animation. To make our video more visually appealing, we'll use Powtoon to add some animated segments that emphasize key points in our script. Step 5. Optimizing for YouTube. With our video almost ready, we'll use vidIQ and TubeBuddy to optimize our video title, description, and tags based on popular keywords. And there you have it, a fantastic YouTube video created using the power of AI and all for free. Remember, these AI tools are continually evolving, so always keep an eye out for new and improved AI-powered options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, using AI can elevate your videos to new heights. So, go ahead and try these free tools, unleash your creativity, and make your YouTube channel shine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with AI-powered tools, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.